The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Stephen, very good morning. Mark, we just had a pullback, guys, into 61, which is support. NASDAQ's longs. Your stop has to be 60 at this point, but we're longs, fellas. Going to run into a little resistance at 67. Hey, Todd, good morning. Guys, for those of you that were in the room yesterday, we were here until about 2:30. We took that 91.01 long on the NASDAQ. I left you guys with targets for the day of 21 and 40. Those targets were hit and hit. I hope you guys held on to the NASDAQ into the end of the day. We're going to 79 today, 80 area, 92, and we can see 92.18. Those are our targets for today. 79, 92, and 92.18. We are longs. Dang it, just missed this stinking long on the 15-minute at 61.50. In any event, guys, 2,300 net buyers right now in the NASDAQ, big buyers in silver, sellers in the YM at the moment. Big buyers in gold, 3,800 net buyers. Some buyers in crude as well. We're going to 80, 79.50. ES, 6,300 buyers. We got buyers everywhere today, guys. Buyers in the yen. They are currently buying risk off. Let's see here, guys. Let me just change a chart. I'm going to go back and look at this yen. Yeah, there's not much movement in the yen, but they are buying it. Natural gas still in a free for all. Looks like it wants to come down to 14, maybe lower. Weather is changing. It is getting a little chillier. Big sellers in gas overnight, 3,700. Bonds are bid. Buying risk off at the moment. It is options expiration. We do have a little bit of news this morning. No 4-star news, but we do have news. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we will get going with our Friday and conclude the week. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the futures and options markets, do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Well, if we hit that outer target today, that would have been my target for the week. If anybody remembers, early in the week, I said we'd see 92.50 this week. Looks like that's where we're headed. Crude hit first target, fellas. I think gold is going to sell. That's what it's looking like it's trying to do. It's just holding the 34 moving average. But here's your bot on CRUD. Move this out. Nah, it got me before I could move it. All right, up 360 on crude. Crude is going to fire on that 3-minute high probability trade long. NASDAQ should trade up to 63. We've got net buyers, guys. I don't know why we're just parked. VWAP, VWAP, just above VWAP. And gold sitting. I don't like gold. Short. I don't like it short. Doesn't mean it's not going to work. It's just, it's got to get down to the stupid 34 moving average. No, the markets are closed Monday, Ron. NYSE's closed. The future, the Globex will be open, but we're going to take Monday off, guys. It'll be slow. Now, there will be a new link on Saturday for the next 2 weeks in the member area, and it will include probably Monday just for simplicity. But I don't see any point in guys, we haven't seen the NASDAQ this out of breath in a while. I still think you have to be longs. Unless this breaks down below 54, and I don't think it'll come far below 54. 34 is turning up. This area should act as support in here. Gold is trying to get down through 57. Yes, Todd. Always at 9 a.m. And if you can't make it, it's recorded. Trump defense team will include Clinton prosecutor Ken Starr. What is. Okay. And Alan Dershowitz. Let me look at crude. Man, we got 300 buyers. The bot took the trade. I didn't. I don't know Alan. I've never met Alan Dershowitz. But his brother Nathan at one time was one of my attorneys. Here's crude. This is NASDAQ. My apologies. We're long on the NASDAQ, guys. I don't have shorts, but let me see what we got on CRUD. Order filled. There are no settings located for the bot, Dana. I had them taken out. I'm going to redo them and add them in tomorrow. I've taken all chart settings out except what were the original settings in the manual, but many of those I don't use. So I'm going to update it. I'll get on that today. Well, I mean, it just goes to show you, how up 750, closed all, done for the day. You're up 2,300 for the week. Nice job, Shahid. See you Tuesday, my friend. I definitely need an assistant, Chris. I got one in mind. I'm not sure she's willing to give up that pretty cool pad and buckhead. CL looks like it wants lower. Not much, but it could pop up into here, 92, and give us a failure. They've pulled VWAP in the 68 up. This is some pretty slow price action, guys. Again, it could be because it's options expiration. Maybe we get an end of the day move again. I don't know. Yeah, we saw this yesterday, hanging out at VWAP. Here comes crude down, sellers. Small, but there's your VWAP. I think crude will bounce between point of control and VWAP and make it down maybe to 61. Oh, I didn't change. I did roll it. I don't know why. Yeah, I rolled it. My apologies. All right, Ron. Good for you. Good job. Same look in March. It's back into VWAP. Same look. I think it comes down to 63. This is one of your biggest weeks ever? God bless. We had a good week, fellas. I mean, we didn't take a garbage truck full of trades. Oh, no, you did not, you little stink. My bot didn't I wasn't watching RB. There was a short at 65.50. My bot did not take it. Both targets hit. I have it on. Anybody catch RB? Both targets hit and then some. Crude's going to follow.
Order Bill.
All right. NASDAQ may pull back a bit. The 15 range just went short. My 15 range. It's into a buy zone in here. Nice job, Joe. NQ is shorts, guys, on the 15-minute. I mean, we could come down to 42. I don't think we come lower than 42.50, but sellers are anemic. There's not much sell pressure. ES on a 15-minute, big down candle, big up candle, and now we're working lower again. Gold hit target on the 377 tick. First target anyways. RB, if it breaks below 65, 16500, it may come down to 64.62. It's breaking out of the bottom here. It's a little overextended, but it's breaking down. 64.62 would be the target. Gold is short on the 500 tick. Has not come to first target, but it is short. NASDAQ short on the Unirenko. Naturally, mine's off there too. What an idiot. One more roll and crude, it should get down to that 63 if anybody took it. God dang it, RB. Here comes that target, Todd. 62, maybe 57. Held VWAP. Yeah, yet. There's your 62, Todd. Next target is 56. And then it could work all the way down to 64.21 if you're still short. There's 56. This could work all the way down to 21. 64.21. Crude hit that 63 target, fellas. Next level down would be 58. If crude breaks out below 58.52, it works to 36 and possibly 58.21.
Target filled.
That's gold. First target off on the bot.
Target filled.
It got both targets. Gold on the 500 tick is now up 7 hundo. 7 hundo. I'm February RB. It hasn't rolled. If it did, get out of here. No. No roll, according to Ninja. Boy, we are just in a squirrely, stupid little area, guys. Squirrely, stupid little area.
Order filled.
Silver missed a nice little short. Time frame alignment was out.
Order filled.
All right. Let's see what we got here. Here comes that 64.21 on February. Got 130 negative delta, guys, on NASDAQ. It's just a matter of time. I mean, maybe once we get, God darn. Blue 21, 63.97, next target, March. 63, RB's getting busted. 63.97. Jesus, and my bot didn't get it. Okay, well, I guess I can change it. RB 03-20. I'll change it. I changed it. RB 03-20.
Order filled. Target filled.
Okay, just filled it. Jeepers, criminy, look at this bounce. I got both targets before I could blink. Seriously, both targets before I could blink. Hang on. Targets before I could move on RB. RB, Scott. I couldn't even move. This is RB. I just got this. I couldn't move. I couldn't move my target. I mean, it was order filled, targets filled. So one of the things that we've done, Scott, here's NASDAQ, by the way. NASDAQ is long here on the Unorenco. One of the things that we've done, Scott, is we've identified some very high probability, charts on instruments, RB being one of them, bonds being another, silver being another, gold being another. In any event, a lot of guys won't trade RB because it's thinner, but it's pretty profitable. I'm not watching the NASDAQ. I'm asleep at the wheel here, fellas. Damn it. We're longs, guys, back up to where there's at 60. We're going to start working, fellas, back up on the NASDAQ now into 79.80. If it gets above 63.5, you can wave goodbye. Above 63.5, you can say goodbye. There's the NASDAQ on the Unorenco. And right back into VWAP. I changed it to 320. Yeah. Left click. Yeah. Left click. Left click on the chart. Type in RB space 03-20. Because it's not in the rollover instruments. I didn't see it. We're above VWAP, guys. It just doesn't. Same look as yesterday, and then we erupted for 40 handles. There's first
Target filled.
target on the unit. There we go. Told you. Just like yesterday, guys. We just got to 65.
Order filled.
Support is going to be 61 if it pulls back there. ES is breaking up, guys. ES has to break up through 27.25 and then the top at 28.75. Time is at 28. Come on, buyers. We got 300 in this candle. Pump this thing. Fighting some resistance here at 63.25. Got to get through 65. Come on. Bottom of this candle, 61. 65, you get a new candle. 64.75, you'll get a new 15 range. And that'll be the impetus. It's got to hit 7.5. One more tick. DAX is going. Come on, one more tick, you rat bag.
Order filled.
Gold's going to sell again. Gold's given most of them back. All right, guys, let me look at... on a 15-minute chart, we've got to break up through that 65 on this new candle. That's a 15-minute. Let me take a look at gold. Gold on the 15-minute wants to short here about 55.2 on the 15-minute, but your stop has to be 56.8. It's not bad. If you guys want a gold short, 55.2 short, right where it is. Target down at 52.6. There goes NASDAQ again. Guys, it's playing the same game it did yesterday. Consolidates, buyers and sellers, consolidates, moves up. It's the same ugly little look. Again, probably because it's options expiration. RB is holding this low of the day, but it looks like it wants to completely puke. You know how I feel about 65. Oh, never mind. There we go.
Stop fill.
Where is the stop for Russell? 054. This is just a choppy, stupid options expiration market. NASDAQ is parked. RB is stuck. Euro's coming down. Dollar index is up. That 078 didn't fire though, did it? On NASDAQ? I mean on Russell? I'm not watching it. I don't think it entered. Oh, where's the stop for the gold short? Let me go back to that chart. 56.8. Randy, 56.8. You got a target all the way down at 52. 52, 51.9 first target. RB just took off like a banshee. Yeah, GC is going to get, gold is going to get smacked. They got 800 left to give them. That's on a 15-minute. I'm looking at gold. NASDAQ's pulling back.
Order filled.
Small sellers. Holy shnikes with this market, man.
Order filled.
Give me 1 minute. I'm just going to get coffee. I'm back, guys. I mean, gold has no support until it blows down. ES is holding up. Advancers decliners at 0. Tick is at negative 300. I'm afraid to look at the VIX. I guarantee you the VIX is doing nothing. Not helping us, that's for sure. VIX cash down 1%, 12.19. VIX futures down 15% at 12.68. There's another first target. Bots are eating their lunch again today, fellas. Eating their lunch. Anybody have any questions, guys? I'm dying to see what happens when we get rid of Europe. You are longing NASDAQ, okay? It's got to get through 56 and then 58. Still below VWAP.
Target filled.
No idea what got target or where. I don't even see it. No, it's got to be something I have behind. Hang on, guys. That charts on top of charts. Oh, it's interesting. So here we go, fellas. I'm waiting for this NASDAQ to turn up. But 15 range. Hey, Rick. If you have a Skype and you've requested me, then you've been added. If not, I don't keep track of who is. I mean, I know we have a number of people that probably are not in Skype, but I don't know. I don't keep track of. When you guys all join, I send you an email. You have to connect with me and then I add you. But I don't follow who's done it or not. So I can't answer that. I don't know, Rick. I did not, Randy. 233? I did not. In Arizona, Todd? Where in Arizona are you? Oh, in LA. What? Paying no attention. Well, we got above that resistance, 45 quarter. I really, you stink, man. Lost it. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Go get VWAP, dude. Come on, buyers. You beat the resistance. 45 quarter.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
So I started with 6. I took 3 off. I'd like to get 2 more off at 48. I'm not watching, Don. I'm in a live trade here, bruh. I don't care about RB. I'm not in it. I'd like to get 2 more off at 48. 1, I'll put the stop at break even and forget about it. For those of you guys that are here on trial, I am clearly trading a live account. My statements are on the website. This statement will be there tomorrow morning as soon as I get it. I have no issue with taking trades. I have no issue with taking size. I have no issue with taking losses. None. Thank you, Josephine. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm just going to quickly go through my charts, okay, and show you what I got. On this 377 tick that I've been playing with, yes, 377 tick I'm playing with, this was up 285. And not overly impressive results. I think it's too choppy, too small. Crude was up $620 today on the bot. Okay, crude was up $620 on the bot. I got nothing on the ES. It's in that short, but I have nothing on the ES. YM was down 310. Although I didn't get this short. I shut it off at 11. But down 310 on the YM. Nothing on silver. Gold on the 377 tick was up 170, but it's the only trade I got. On the 500 tick that I love was up 640. Russell on the 15 range was up 225. Here goes NASDAQ. And NASDAQ on the Unirenko was up 315. And the Unirenko on the Unirenko is, I mean, the 15 range is in a long trade now. So the bots had another unbelievably nice day. I don't know what their aggregate total is, but it's, there we go. We're going back to VWAP, guys. I would be shocked if we don't, but I'm going to go eat lunch and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. Looks like I've missed nothing. Grinding higher. Anybody have any questions, fellas? ES should work back up easily to 26. Should have been long 21. Anybody have any questions, guys? I mean, my personal opinion is this is just going to grind higher throughout the day. 91.60, back up to 80. We could see 9,200 today by the close. Does this not look like yesterday? I think what's skewing this is damned options expirations. We are 44% above our 3-month daily average. Still in RTY. Where'd you get in? I had a long, I mean, I could have, on the move back up, 04. 01 on that pullback. Nice, Rob. I mean, I think, again, hang on one second, guys. I think, again, this is just going to be a ridiculous hold. Like yesterday. Remember yesterday we consolidated below VWAP? I mean, there's another long trying right here with a stop at 39.50. It's just so dang slow. There you go. No updates as of yet, Tariq. I'll put it out there. Do I have any of my trials left?